Hello friends, it's me Kavya. I will be showing you some of the basic Vedic maths tricks which can be used for solving mathematical problems in a far simpler manner. It offers techniques and shortcuts to master numerical calculation in a split seconds. To find square root of any number by a trick. You can see that 1 to 10 numbers have written with the square roots. We will be using the last digit of these numbers for finding the square root. The last digit will be always 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 and 9. Let us see that where all in unit place these numbers are coming like 0 in 10, 1 in 1 and 9, 4 in 2 and 8, 5 in only 5, 6 in 4 and 6, 9 in 3 and 7. Now let us find the square root of 784. Let us select the last two digits. Now let us see where you will find the unit digit 4. It can be 2 or 8. Now let us see the first number 7. Which number we will square so that we will get 7 or less than 7. That is 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, but here the number is 7. 9 is greater than 7. So we will take the smaller number, that is 4. So we have to take the digit 2. Now I will write 2. Now I got two numbers, that is 22 and 28. The answer will be 22 or 28. To find out the correct answer, the last step is 2 multiplied by its constituent number, that is 3. We will get 6. Now we have to see whether 7 is less or greater than 6. So we can see very clearly that 7 is greater than 6. Hence we have to take greater number. So the correct answer will be 28. Now let us take another example, that is square root of 7569. Let us select the last two digits. Now in unit place it is 9. Where will you find the unit digit 9? It can be 3 or 7. Now let us see the first two digits. Which number we will square so that we will get 75 or less than 75. So 8 square will be 64. 9 square equals to 81. 64 is smaller number, so we will consider 8. We will get two numbers, that is 83 and 87. Now we will multiply 8 by its constituent numbers, that is 9. We will get 72. As 75 is greater number, we have to take greater number, that is 87. So the answer will be 87. Now let us see how to find cube root of any number. 1 to 9 numbers are given and their cubes. We will use the last digit of these numbers. For example, let us find the cube root of 39304. How to find the cube root of this number? First of all, we will write this number again. That is 39304. We have to see the last digit of this number, that is 4. Now we will see in this table which is the last number, 4. Here we can see the number is 64. That is the cube of 4. So we will write 4 here. Now remove the last three numbers and the remaining number is 39. Now we have to find out 39 in this table. If it is not available, then find out the value less than 39. So that is 27. that is the cube of 3. Now let's combine the number 34. So the answer of cube root of 39304 will be 34. Now let us take another example, that is cube root of 474552. Now look at the last digit, that is 2. Try to find out 2 in this table. We can see 512, that is the cube of 8. So last digit is 8. Now remove the 3 digits and focus on first 3 digit, that is 474. Now let's find out 474 in this table, or value less than 474, that is 343 cube of 7. So let's write 343 here, cube of 7. Write the values together, that is 7 and 8, which will be 78. So cube root of 474552 will be 78. Hope you have enjoyed the Vedic Maths trick. Thank you.